The topic of today's discussion is about the quality control and the quality assurance. Guys, we have certain desires. Our customers, they have desires. So they need the best quality product, the best quality services. So now what we are supposed to do is we have certain procedures. We'll follow the procedures. First of all, we have certain procedures. We'll follow those procedures, those procedures or processes. We'll follow those procedures and processes. As we follow those procedures or processes, then we are able to synthesize a particular product. And after that, we test this product, whether this product is okay or not, means it is according to the desire of the customers or not. So what we do actually is we have a product hereby. We do certain observations of the process first of all. First of all, in the very beginning, we do quality assurance step. Now, what is this step called? What is this step actually? Quality assurance. It is actually the focusing on the processes, the focus on the processes used to produce a product or services. So we have certain processes. Just take the singular of this term, that is process. So we have a certain process which should be followed to have a particular product. Means we have process. If we follow this process, we will get a product. So first of all, we just take a process, we follow that, we make a product. Then, according to the process, we make a product. So what we do in quality assurance, we actually check the process. Actually, we check, we observe, we investigate the process. What we do, we go through the process, whether this process is according to our desire or not. Means if we follow the process, will this process lead us to the particular point, that is the quality product or quality service. Means in a very simple way, I'm just repeating this time and again for you guys. What is quality assurance? We assure the quality actually. So what we do in this is actually we just observe the process which is used to provide us particular product or service. So when the entire process is observed, then we just do a check. That is, yes, this process is okay. So when the process is okay, we have done our quality assurance now. Means quality assurance is done. When we observe the entire process, which is supposed to provide us particular product or service. Product or service. So once we go through this quality assurance, means once we go through the observation from different angles of the process, which should be followed for the synthesis of the product or service. So what we do then is the service is available and the product is available. So then what we do then? Now it is the end time, okay? The end product is here. So we got now the particular thing, the particular product now. So what we do then we take that product, we just target that product to the quality control. Now what we do in the quality control, we just actually focus on the product only. In the quality assurance, we were focusing on the process. Now in the quality control, we are focusing on the product itself. So what we do the inspection, we do the sampling, we do the testing, the very important point, the very point that is actually differentiating quality control and quality assurance. In quality assurance, we focused on the process, which was supposed to be followed to provide us the quality product. So we just went through, we observed, we checked from different angles. The point is that quality assurance is done. So quality assurance is actually the mechanism before the mechanism followed before the product is actually formed. Once the product is formed, means the end product when it is available. So then what we do is we just take that end product, we do the sampling of that, inspection of that, testing of that, inspection, sampling, and testing. Then from all these, when it is approved that the product is actually according to the desire of the customer, so then what we do is actually we have actually performed the quality control test, and then the particular product is available in the market for the consumers. So what we do now in a nutshell, quality assurance and quality control. In the quality assurance, we just focus on the process which is used to produce particular product. And in the quality control, we actually do testing. We actually do testing. So testing is specific for quality control, and assurance is actually specific for focusing on the process. We focus on the process, it is quality assurance. We focus on the product and we test that product, whether the product is according to the demand or not. Means if you are doing testing, you are actually doing quality control. If you are observing the procedure which is supposed to be followed for the product formation or for the availability of the product, that process, when you are just going through the process, you are actually doing the quality assurance. When you are going through the product, when you test it, then you are doing quality control. And that's it all. Still, if you have any kind of question, you can drop on that in the comment box. And thank you for watching.